Hi guys, I just wanted to touch base briefly with you about today's assignment. So first off, know that I'm praying for you for this specific assignment and the things that you're going to be doing. I know each of you can do this. Your project is going to represent who you are and just the way the Lord speaks to you. We're going to watch a video from Mr. Wang today about living out the gospel. That's part of the writing expectation. So I want you to watch the video completely. There's a warm up and an assignment that goes along with the video. And after you're done with the video and your assignment, please spend time writing your paper because remember it's due next week. And it's, I would say, rough draft form, but really a completed form. So you'll still have time to make edits, and we'll do something to be able to give you some assistance with that. And then the final paper is due the 19th, and then your presentations will be due on the 26th, and I'll have more information next week on how you can get those done. So I also added again the video on the thesis statement. I know I've done it, and I'll do it again because I'm going to have you do your thesis statement this week. So just make sure you watch it again and you're thinking about it in your process. So if you spend a good amount of time working through that this week and next week, you'll be ready to go and not have to rush it all next week. That's not what I want. So I'll try to keep what I am asking from you to a minimum and give you more time to work on your project. All right. So my prayers are with you. I'll reach out if I can be of any help, and looking forward to connecting with you this week. Bye for now.